Hey, this is JCP, and today we have the Royole 3D VR headset, also known as the 3D HD mobile theater by Royole. It can do both HD, 3D and 2D, and you can connect the Wi-Fi. It's an Android base, so let's just get in and see what it's like. But here is the box. And we're going to jump in and see what the contents are. First piece is a charger. This is a European version, so it might not fit you, so you might need to get an adapter. This is a normal USB type A. So this is the headset. Here is the lens protector, and these are the lenses. The headsets sensitive on the sides, because that's why you increase and reduce the volume and play. Feel quite smooth. And below here we have the lens adjusters. All these are options for adjusting the lenses. And we also have a 3D 2D switch. Okay, this is the cable. Let me just show. It has a Type-C connector where it goes into the moon box. We have the Royole Moon bag with a very nice logo. Inside it has a smooth cloth. So this is the travel bag for the moon box and the headset. We have an adapter here with an old micro USB type A to USB. So here you can connect with any adapter. We have user guides here. Unfortunately, everything is in Chinese language, but not to worry, you can be able to get the English version on the internet. The package list, and see we have the VR headset, we have the moon box, we have the charger, we have the cleaning cloth, we have the pin. This the pin is for removing the SD card. Then we have two. One is an OTG cable, one for the headset, and another one is a charger. Then we have the cleaning cloth, and then the moon box. So in the moon box, this is where you upload your movies, your games, be played within the VR headset. You can connect it directly to TV or another device using an HDMI cable. The center one is the one which connects the headset. It has a one-way Type-C, meaning you cannot connect the other way around. It has a stopper. And here is where we get we put our SD card. Currently our moon box is completely drained, so I have to charge it first, then we can. I'll be doing a review on the quality